welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I'm here to unbox the July 2023 Beauty Heroes box. It is actually July 5th when I am filming this, and I am 5 days into the month and I have not seen any spoilers as to what brand it is or what products or anything, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna make a guess that it's gonna be Lilafox, and the reason is I think the last 2 Julys have been Lilafox. I started in July 2 years ago and it was Lilafox, and I think the next either June or I think it was July was also Lilafox. So I saw that they recently came out with a new product called Succulent Pudding, which is a mask. I didn't really read a ton about it, but just the name sounds like very delicious and enticing. So I'm curious if they would come out with a new product right before they include it in a box and stuff. So maybe, I could be wrong, but let's just see. So I have no idea what the brand is as usual, and I am super excited about it. So let's dive in. Yay, okay. All right, we have, Beauty Heroes and True Botanicals. So I was totally wrong about the brand. It is not Lilafox. So True Botanicals, have we gotten anything from them? I think we have. I think from them I have their vitamin A. Yes, we have. I don't know how long ago. It feels like it wasn't that long ago. I have their vitamin A capsules and their night mask, or sleep mask, I think it is. And I like the vitamin A capsules. I don't love the sleep mask because it's like a runny formula. But anyways, let's talk about this box. Just blabbering on. Looks like we got 3 products. So let's see. All right, we have the Skin Barrier Sun Shield, which is broad spectrum sunscreen for SPF 30. That's exciting to get a sunscreen. I'm using the Josh Rosebrook sunscreen right now, and I'm excited to try a different one. That's awesome. Okay, so let's see. We have 3 products total. We have the Chibula Active Serum, which says Renew. And then we also got the Vitamin C Booster. So let's check them all out. We got 3 products, which is really cool. Okay, so it says July's Discovery features a universal bestseller, a cult classic treatment, and a first of its kind formula, giving us the glowy skin cocktail we all need to outsmart the sun this season. So the first one is the Chibula Active Serum. So let's open that up. So it says apply half to 1 dropper of serum to face morning and night just after cleansing. It's always nice to get a serum. Okay, this is what the jar looks like. It is, how many? Does 1 fluid ounce. Okay, it says it's for value or cost of $90. The triple play for glowing skin begins with Chibula Active Serum. The star of the serum is Chibula, the stunningly versatile Ayurvedic superfruit known for its remarkable ability to simultaneously prevent and correct, thanks to the action of cascading antioxidants which capture free radicals only to convert them into a new form, creating a cycle of protection against the 5 discernible signs of maturing skin: fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, roughness, lack of firmness, and dullness. Together with hyaluronic acid, elderberry extract, echinacea, and ginger, this serum works tirelessly to promote hydration, improve texture, and strengthen the skin barrier, while delivering a super dose of antioxidants that outperforms acai. Clinically proven to soften skin, smooth lines and wrinkles, and even tone, take this serum straight or add a mixer. There's a whole bunch of superpower ingredients in here: Chibula, elderberry, ginger, echinacea, hyaluronic acid, Chibula. Oh, I see. The way the form makes it look like, the way I had it, it made it look like it was these and these, but these ones actually go to the next one. So we'll stop there. All right, let's see what this serum is like in texture and scent. All right, so I'll put a little on my hand here. There we go. All right, so it's not super watery. I tend to like a little bit more of a substantial serum, so I'm kind of happy about that. It smells pretty good. Okay, Okay, so it's like, it's kind of like a, I'm trying to remember if they said a water-based serum. Jabula, hyaluronic acid. I always like to know if it's like a water-based serum, an oil serum. It smells pretty nice. Maybe like lightly like flowers, or I don't know if it's like one of the ingredients that makes it smell like, yeah, but it has a nice, pretty subtle scent. So that's the serum. Obviously I'll have to be using it on my face to like let you know what I think of it. All right, let's move on. So we've got the serum. Next up, we have the vitamin C booster. I'm curious as to how you use it, like this booster. So let's open it up. Oh, cool. It's a powder. Interesting. You see in there, it's like a powder. It says mix 1 to 2 shakes into your favorite serum, oil, moisturizer, or mask. Apply at night to face, neck, and chest. I don't think I have any type of vitamin C product now. I think I finished, yes, because I had the Common Air vitamin C capsules, but I used them because they had been expired. So I don't actually have any vitamin C in my collection right now, which is awesome. So this is 0.49 ounces for $90. So we're at 90, so 180. A classic core product that's still unrivaled in a sea of C's. Vitamin C booster consistently delivers the purest, freshest shot of L-ascorbic and ferulic acid for even skin-toned, brighter-looking skin. Made up of only 2 active ingredients, this pure powder stays stable and potent, that's good, then readily absorbs into an aqueous formula to gently resurface, reduce dark spots, and reveal enhanced radiance. Best shaken, not stirred, the loose powder will dissolve into your favorite serum or moisturizer both day and night without sensitization. The superpower ingredients are vitamin C and ferulic acid. I don't think I have ever worked with a powder vitamin C, so this is pretty cool. So what I think I'll do, just to like sample, I kind of am curious, like if we put a little of the serum in my hand and then a little vitamin C, I don't want to use a ton of it. Okay, so let's put a little serum and then let's do a little vitamin C powder. This is cool. This is fun. Different. Sealed up. The little silver thing that hopefully I can get open. I have oh my gosh, these are like hard to get. I have nails. I've been getting dip powder manicures now and keeping my nails up for the first time in my life, and I can't like open things as easily, so I just had to use my scissors. All right, so then I have this much serum in my hands. I'm just gonna add a little, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna just make it get over there. So let's see. I was just curious like how much it changed. It didn't really change the consistency. It smells the same. So interesting. So it's basically like adding a little vitamin C. Doesn't seem to have a scent. Ferulic acid powder to your serum. So that's cool because on the days, maybe like, I'll have to see how often I want to use vitamin C, but I could probably use these together to use the serum mixed with the vitamin C to make it like a vitamin C boosted serum. And lastly, we have the Skin Barrier Shield SPF 30, which is 1.7 ounces and a value of $65. It's 19% zinc oxide. And that's what that looks like. It is 1.7 ounces. You can't beat the heat, but you can outsmart the sun with Skin Barrier Sun Shield SPF 30 in caps, made safe. Certified formula featuring revolutionary non-nano zinc that provides broad spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays without absorbing into the bloodstream or disrupting aquatic life. The coconut-based formula incorporates butters, seed oils, squalane, green tea, and aloe vera to achieve a creamy, hydrating, and breathable texture, while a tint of astaxanthin diffuses any white cast and gives skin a warm, soft, focused glow. No ordinary SPF, the Skin Shield features chibula, they're all about chibula, vegan pea peptides, and milk thistle to address multiple signs of skin maturation, improve moisture retention, and lend a silky texture to the skin. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and formulated without pore-clogging waxes commonly found in conventional sunscreens, this lightweight formula safeguards skin without heaviness. We'll toast to that. always interesting trying a new sunscreen. You never know what the consistency is going to be like, or how it, you know, no white cast. Ooh. It says no scent, but it's funny because it looks like pink, sort of. I don't know how well you can, I mean, it doesn't look as pink to your eye, I mean to the camera, but it has like a pink tint. I did a lot, I guess. But we'll see how well it absorbs in. It's not thick, it's like thin. Not runny, but like just not a thick moisturizer. And there we go. That was easy. Of course, I have a pretty fair skin tone, so I don't know how it would be for darker skin tones, but this is how it absorbed in for me pretty perfectly. So that will be fun to try. Cool. You know, originally my initial reaction wasn't super excited. I think in my mind, I really got myself like sure that it was Lil Fox. So it's kind of fun to like get shocked and surprised. But with the products I had tried from True Botanicals, like I said, I do like the vitamin A capsules. They're still like in my project pan. I'm using them and I really like them. But I really didn't love that sleep mask, as I said. It was very runny. I'm still using it. It's in my project pan. I just don't love the consistency of it. But so I was like not really sure how excited I was about more of their products, but I am excited to try these. It's I know you can add this vitamin C booster to anything, but it's kind of almost like I'm definitely going to be using these together. So maybe every other night or every 2 nights I'll do the vitamin C serum mixture, and then I can probably just switch to using this like every day. Some days, like if I want to wear foundation, I'll do my Ilia True Skin Serum Tint, whatever the name of it is, which I have on today. And then that has the SPF in it, so then I don't use an extra one. But on the days I'm not wearing a foundation, I use an SPF. So like an SPF with no color in it. So I don't know what the point of explaining that to you was, but I will be using this throughout the month too. So I am really excited about this box, and I'm excited about trying these products. So I would definitely love to know what you think about the box. And did you get the previous box with True Botanicals prior products? What are your thoughts on those? And then how do you feel about these? Do you have like vitamin C in your routine regularly that you use, or is it not part of your normal routine? I would like it to be part of my routine. I would like to get to the point where like I'm purposely using like vitamin C some nights, vitamin A some nights, and like almost be more purposeful with my skincare routine versus just like using the things I have. We'll see if I ever get to that point because I get so many different products, but it's nice to have like a vitamin C product back in my skincare routine. So please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I look forward to chatting with you in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Bye.